Well, this is the news we're getting you right now. In fact, continuing coverage of the kind of developments that have come forward so far. Ajay Garg, Gaurav Bansal's nephew, has surrendered in a Delhi court. He had been quizzed by the CBI earlier today. Well, that's the latest we're getting to you on this story. Ajay Garg, a close aide of Vijay, in fact, coming out and surrendering before the Patiala House Court today. What we're also likely to see is his arrest very soon as far as the CBI is concerned. In fact, CBI will be trying to widen the ambit of the probe. Shamsher joining us with the details. Yes, Shamsher, you did take us in the morning through the fact that Ajay Garg had been questioned by the CBI. Now he's come forward and surrendered before the Patiala House Court. Just give us a sense of what we know about the man right now.
Well, Ajay Garg is a businessman. In fact, he deals with gensets, diesel gensets, and his clients include a very high-profile PSUs besides, other private companies. And about his involvement in this entire case is, according to the CBI's version, is that apart from Sandeep Goyal, he's also one of the key middlemen, who brokered this deal of for 2 crore rupees. And while Sandeep Goyal and Vijay Singla were arrested with the first installment of 90 lakh rupees, he had been in fact evading arrest, and now he has surrendered before the court. So, for the CBI, he was a very crucial man, as he was one of the main middlemen of this entire deal. In fact, Mahesh Kumar had contacted Manjunath in Bangalore, who is a railway equipment manufacturer. And because Manjunath knew Sandeep Goyal, because Sandeep Goyal also manufactures railway equipment, Sandeep Goyal and Ajay Garg had been dealing with Manjunath. And while both of them were arrested, besides Vijay Singla, Ajay Garg had been kind of evading his arrest so far. But now, since he has surrendered before the CBI court, now CBI is likely to question him. Although all the rest of the accused have already been questioned and they are on CBI demand, so he will also be confronted. With the rest of the accused will be confronted with him, and CBI will corroborate the statements of different accused with one another.
Shamsher, stay on with us. We're also now joined by Bhavtosh, who has been taking us through this very crucial information coming forward. The fact that Ajay Garg, the close aide of Vijay Singla, has come forward and in fact surrendered before the Patiala House Court. Bhavtosh, what do we know about the extent of involvement of Ajay Garg in this entire Railgate scandal?
Nida, as we have been saying that the case has 2 parts. One who were receiving the bribe, other who were paying that bribe. Now, those who were receiving this money include Sandeep Goyal, Vijay Singla, and Ajay Garg. Now, Ajay Garg, Vijay Singla, and Sandeep Goyal form a triumvirate, and 2 of them were arrested on Friday night itself. And it took CBI nearly 3 days to locate Ajay Garg.